Are you looking for a premium dining destination that promises good food and a complete culinary experience with over 100 dishes and drinks to choose from and to enjoy it without limit? Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to have lunch at Food Club, your lifestyle buffet on the second floor of Fisher Mall, Quezon Avenue, corner Roosevelt, Quezon City. For a light start and refreshing meal combinations, we stop first at the salad bar and appetizer station to create a plate of pressed salad greens with cold salads, colorful toppings, and various condiments from light to creamy dressing that add flavor and satiety to the salad. The International Cuisine Station offers a selection of classic Italian comfort food enjoyed by many, like freshly baked pizza in 3 kinds and the rich and meaty spaghetti bolognese. Hot mains are tender and flavorful pork Sicilian, roasted chicken with red wine and mushroom sauce, fish fillet with creamy lemon butter and caper sauce, together with a nachos corner consisting of tortilla chips and a variety of toppings, garnishes, salsa, and dips. Our next stop is at everyone's favorite, the carving station. We feasted on slow roasted beef, the beef chuck roll, complete with garlic mashed potatoes and peppercorn gravy, and the roasted pork belly with french fries and corn on the cob as sides. Each slice comes tender and juicy, packed with smoky goodness. From hearty meats, we also savor some Asian favorites like pressed salmon sashimi, savory ebi tempura, and vibrant sushi and maki rolls, beautifully plated for presentation. We added the rich buttery salmon poke and the mild-flavored classic tuna poke. This is a must-try for seafood lovers, giving you the perfect balance of flavor and satisfaction. As we finish here, we prepare our appetite for an even greater variety of Asian flavors that has Chinese steamed dim sums and dumplings, fried rice, and Chinese hot mains of steamed prawns, mixed noodles bihon and canton guisado, wok fry Baguio beans with squid and tofu, wok fry Chinese mixed vegetables, fish fillet in sweet and sour sauce, diced chicken with 2 mushrooms, and honey glazed pork ribs. The Asian station also includes flavorful Japanese nabe nomo with a variety of hot pot pressed ingredients of vegetables, noodles, meat proteins, and fish balls to create your own shabu-shabu dish. Alongside our Japanese favorites, fish fillet in teriyaki sauce, yaki udon, and pork shogayaki in tasty ginger flavor. Other Asian cuisines included are spicy Korean-inspired gochujang chicken and our hearty Filipino favorites, ginataang sitaw at kalabasa, tokwat baboy, crispy salmon skin, and the popularly known Filipino delicacy balut, made from incubated duck eggs, boiled and eaten from the shell. To cap our meals, we headed to the Haven section. The dessert station is laden with a white and dark chocolate fountain with a variety of nibbles and snacks to dip, sweet cakes, bread, cookies, pressed fruits, and the Filipino classics of native kakanin and halo-halo. We also enjoyed the ice cream and crepe station, always a hit with kids and kids at heart. Refreshments of cold beverages like flavored juices, soft drinks, and hot coffee are also available. At Food Club Fisher Mall, every station is designed to satisfy every craving. Whether you're here for sushi, roast beef, or decadent desserts, this buffet feast gives your money's worth, especially now that they have the Bare Months promo that started on the 22nd of September. All diners are invited to enjoy their scrumptious buffet at an affordable price with no service charge and no hidden charges. This is Food Club's way of saying thank you to all its loyal patrons. The promo rate is not valid in conjunction with other promos or discounts. Food Club Fisher Mall is more than just a buffet. It is the perfect place for any celebration, special occasions, and big gathering. You can reserve your dining tables at 0917 700 3510 and 0917 700 3485. We'll see you on our next food trip at Sambuconjin, West Avenue, Quezon City. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.